Taking cold medicine is a necessary part of the recovery when getting the cold or flu, but there are ways to naturally build your immune system that combats illness as well. Well, let's try to make a lemon and ginger tea with honey and pick up full benefits. I'm gonna wash the lemons in cold running water with baking soda. After you wash them, dry them with a kitchen towel completely. There cannot be any waters in there. And when you're done, just let it dry in the air for about an hour. Once it's dried completely, I'm gonna slice them up as thin as possible. I'm not really good at cutting, but I'm trying. I'm gonna cut them in the pie shape. And this is the thinnest I can slice, where I tried. And then put them in the bowl and cut the rest of them. Once the lemons are ready, I'm gonna put them in the jar, the glass one. I'm using the coffee container. Put them in about 2/3 of the jar. Then I'm gonna pour some honey, the wildflower honey, into it. Very slowly. Don't pour the honey all at once. You gotta do it very slowly and you have to wait until all the honey goes down on the bottom of the jar. Wait for a while, and then once you see all the honey went down, then you can pour some more honey. And don't fill it up all the way up, because once it gets fermented, it will rise up. So try to leave a little bit of room on the top. Once it's ready, I usually leave in the room temperature for 24 hours to get fermented. But it looks so good right now, so I'm gonna make a glass of lemon tea with hot water. Drinking hot lemon tea is extremely good for cleansing the liver and flushing out waste and toxins, as well as aid digestion and thus can assist in weight loss, so it's all good. There are so many benefits of lemon. It lowering stroke risk and blood pressure, cancer prevention, maintaining our health complexion, and also preventing asthma, increasing iron absorption, and boosting immune system. Once you make a couple jars of honey lemon, you can refrigerate it for a couple of months, and then you can have it with hot or cold water anytime you want to. It's very good. And you can also make a honey ginger tea exactly the same way. There are so many benefits of ginger too, like relieve nausea, like morning sickness or like chemotherapy, like improve stomach performance and reduce inflammation, fight respiratory problems and improve blood circulation, relieve menstrual discomfort and strengthen immunity. It also relieves stress. I hope you guys enjoy these great taste of teas with full benefits. Enjoy!